Welcome to After 9. The ASIC S7 miner has finally come in. Even with the weather delays, even with the mudslides in California, we've got it. This particular guy is from parallelminer.com. It is an S7. It does 4.73 terahashes. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I want to see what's in here and I want to do it with you guys. So here we go. Here's the box. I think it was like 9.8 pounds. So here we go. We're going to open her up. And hopefully we don't hurt anything. Oops. All right. There's that. There's that. There's that. There's that. Okay, so what we got so far, little paper packaging, nothing fantastic. All right, so we're going to open her up a little bit more. We've got that. That could go there for a second. All right, so we got some bubble wrap. Let's get the rest of this off here. All right, there's that. Now, the meat of the potatoes. Okay, that's all that's in there. We're going to get rid of the box. Just a small box did come FedEx. They do require a signature. Luckily, I had the day off. So this guy is it. It is your S7 Antminer. Boy, we've been waiting for this guy. Alright, here we go. Let's see here. Where's the other tape? There's that. Alright. This is what it's all about. This is Bitcoin mining at its finest. The way it's done, the SHA-256 already built in. Alright, everything's bubble wrapped very nicely. All these are pinned down pretty good. That cord looks like it's got a problem. It might not be a problem. Alright, so quality checked. Alright, we're going to look at all this. That's nice new clean fan. She does have some scratches on the sides. Makes some noises on the inside. Okay, so we got all the perform visual inspection before power on the device. Give the machine a gentle shake and double check that no heat sinks have become loose or fallen off in transit. The device is powered on without heat sinks properly attached. The hash board will get burnt and no longer function according to Bitmain's warranty process. Burnt point. Okay, so problem. We've got something loose in there. That's not good. Okay, so we've just gotten it. It's loose. You can tell it's been refurbished. It's got some marks on it, but nothing that I would say serious. But the that noise makes me a little skeptical, and there is a wire. Focus, you fuck. Right there in the middle. That's partly separated. Maybe burnt, I don't know. But we're going to give them a call, see what they do, and we'll go from there. Looks like we're going to have a follow-up video on this one, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe. We've got that new have to have 1,000 subscriber kind of thing. So we're waiting on the power supply on this. It's coming from fries.com. It's the 1600 watt G2 EVGA. So hopefully we can get a quick turnaround time on if we need a new unit here because of this issue and the little noise inside. But we're going to go ahead and work that out. I'll let you know what happens with the phone call to Parallel Miner in the comments below. I'm going to give them a call right now. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.